All right, here we go. It is time to set up your first group inside of your Mighty Network. Now, there's so many ways that you can utilize the group feature, and inside of your party planner are some great ideas to get you started. Now, if you already have your idea ready to go and you're ready to get set up, then we're just gonna go to Manage, and we'll scroll down to Premium Features, and then go down to Groups. And you just have to switch groups on. Cha-ching! And you're ready to go. So click on the next button. So we have a group in the Great E-Course Adventure, which is a private mastermind coaching circle. So let's just go mastermind. Tagline is be awesome. It's not actually the tagline, but we're just trying to keep things simple. And then we'll add in a description of the group. So there we go, bi-monthly mastermind. So the group can either be public, which means anybody could join the group. But for us, we have our group as private because it is a paid mastermind that only paying members can be a part of the bi-monthly mastermind. So let's get that set up. And now you can invite people, which I'm not gonna do right now because I wanna set up a bunch of content inside of the group so that when people arrive, they're ready to go. So let's finish that. And now I'm gonna skip ahead into the process. So this is what the group looks like. It looks like any other course. You can have topics, you could do events inside of the group. Now, this is what it looks like as a blank canvas. Now, I'm gonna take you over to our actual group that is beyond the setup process, and we're gonna go into the Mastermind Coaching Circle here inside of the community. So here we are inside of the Mastermind Group, and I'm sure you notice a bunch has changed. The colors changed, we've got a little logo up here, there's a featured section welcoming people. So let's just go do some basic brand adjustments for when you start setting up your own group. So you just want to go to General Settings and scroll down past the description that you made, and you're going to go to Manage Branding. And we've already got our little logo for our community mastermind coaching campfire. We've got an image of people sitting around a campfire, and we created our color. So you're going to want to do the exact same thing, just like you do for your courses, just like you did for your main Mighty Network. You just want to get your branding so that it's obvious what this group is all about. Once you've got that, save it up, close everything down, and go on to the next step. So as you can see, we have topics, we have events, and inside of our events, we actually have events scheduled a year in advance. And as you can see, they're every 2 weeks at the exact same time. So people can just RSVP for all of them and join us. So let's go back to the homepage, and you can see what we have here. So we've got past recordings, and typically before every single mastermind session, I get people to share their intentions and their questions and what they want to work with so that we can have extremely focused sessions. Now, the mastermind group is just for people that are paying for it, which means what happens inside the mastermind stays inside of the mastermind. Now, in your party planner are a bunch of other ideas that you can use for your own groups. There's so much that you can do with the groups feature. You can even have it so that your members can self-organize their own groups, meaning they can create their own niche-related groups, or they could create their own groups based on where in the world they are. And we have members who are teaming up because they're all in the same city, which is an amazing thing for people to do. So go set up your first group, add some content to it so that it's not a bare naked place for people to arrive to, and make it a warm and inviting place for people to have breakthroughs on a very specific topic. I'd love to hear what groups you're setting up, and if you have any questions, ask us in the community. Get to this task, and we'll see you in the next video.